Hi everyone. I think I'm now live. I hope it's working. Um, Welcome to e-learning English with the Inspire Academy. I'm Megan. We're just going to start doing some mini lessons for intermediate to advanced level students, just to give you some extra tips and ideas for improving your English. So today we're going to look at how to create sentences with if, so to show possibility and imaginary scenarios. So we'll just go over some things, and then at the end I'll leave up some exercises. You can have a go with some answers as well. And yes, you should be able to do that at the end. So I'm going to just share this with you. And then we should be good to go. Okay, so we're looking at conditional if sentences. Good. There are three types of sentences that we can create with if in English to show condition. So we're just going to run through these quickly. So our first type is to show possibility in the present or the future. So for example, if I go out tomorrow, I will see him. Okay, so to create this type of sentence, we use if. And then our first half of the sentence is the present tense, followed by the future. Okay, so we have if plus present plus future. So our present tense, I go, and our future tense, I will see. Brilliant. So here's some more examples for you. If I go shopping, I will buy some milk. If she sees him, present tense, she will show him, future. One more. If they help John with his project, he will be grateful. Good. So let's move on to type 2. This is to show imaginary situations in the present or the future. Okay, so the first was possibilities, but now we have imaginary situations. So an example of this is, if I went out tomorrow, I would see him. Okay, so to create this, we're using if again with the imperfect tense and then the present conditional tense. Okay, so the imperfect, I went. Okay, so the past tense of I go, I went, plus the present conditional, which is I would see. Okay, so this is to talk about imaginary situations. If I did this, this would happen. Great. Here's a few more examples of this. If I went shopping, I would buy milk. If she saw him, she would show him. If they helped John with his project, he would be grateful. Okay, so we need the past and then the conditional. Type 3. So this is similar to the second, but we are talking about imaginary situations in the past. Okay, if I had gone out yesterday, I would have seen him. Okay, so it is something that did not happen, but it could have happened. It's an imaginary situation yesterday in this case, but generally in the past. So again, how we form this sentence, we use if plus the past perfect. So that's this I had gone. Okay, so we use the past tense of have with our past participle. If I had gone, I would have seen him. This is our perfect conditional. I would have seen. Okay, so yesterday, it did not happen, but if I had gone, I would have seen him. So let's look at these examples again, but with a type 3 sentence. If I had gone shopping, I would have bought milk. Okay, bought is the irregular past participle of to buy. Second example, if she had seen him, she would have shown him. Okay, if they had helped John with his project, he would have been grateful. Okay, so it's a bit more complex tenses with this one, but for both we have to use auxiliary to have. In the past perfect, we use the imperfect of to have with the past participle. In the perfect conditional, we use the conditional of to have with the past participle. So would have, and then our past participle, bought, shown, or been. Great, so let's go over those again. So our first type for possibility, we use the present tense and followed by the future tense. If I go, I will see him. Okay. Our second type, we are talking about imaginary situations in the present or future. If I went, I would see him. And then our third is imaginary situations in the past. Where we have the past perfect tense followed by the perfect conditional. If I had gone, I would have seen him. Okay, so I hope that difference is clear for you. It can be quite complex, but if you remember these 3 rules, you can't go wrong. Okay, it is always one of these 3 types, these 3 options. Okay, so that's what we'll do today. I'll show you some exercises in a minute that you can do. After 2 or 3 minutes, the answers will show for you. But if you enjoyed this, it's only short, but if you feel you've learned something, then have a look at our online courses at the inspireacademy.fr. Obviously, we have lots on Facebook here. You can find us, but our YouTube and our Instagram as well. Take a look. And yes, so I will give you some exercises now. But yes, and until next time, we will do some more of these mini classes soon. So I hope you've learned something, and thank you for joining me. Okay, I hope. And good luck with the exercises. Okay.